Hello Be Together family. Welcome to our second video on basic of Excel. So on today's to-do list, we are going to focus on the file tab. In the file tab, we are going to see new option, open option, save as option, and in the last we will see some of the basic of print option. So where we can find this file tab in the Excel workbook. In the Excel workbook, we can find the file tab in the top left corner of the Excel workbook. You can see the cursor, you can see the file tab here. When you will just click this file tab, you will come to this page from where you can access these options like new, open, save as, print. There are a few other options, but we are not going to work on those options. We are just going to see these 5 options only for today, because these are some of the basic options which you are going to do, which you are going to use in like whenever you are going to open the Excel workbook. So first we are going to see the new option. When you will just click this new option, you will come to see this kind of page in new option, from where you can choose a new blank workbook, or you can choose a new template, new workbook, according to your preference, according to your work. After that, we are going to see the open option. And you will just click this open option, you will come to see this page from where you can see your recent work, you can see your recent workbook, you can update this recent workbook. You can also access the workbook from your OneDrive if you have like signed in your OneDrive, and you can also access the workbook from your PC. After that, we are going to see the option like save. When you will just click this save option, your file will got saved. So you don't have to worry that there's loss of your data or something. So what is the difference between save and save as? When you just don't want your raw data to be like destroyed, then we use save as option. When you want a separate file of raw data and you want a separate file for your finished data which you have worked on. When you will click this save as option, it will show you there where you want to save your file, on your PC or on your OneDrive. And in the last, we will see the print option, from where you can print your workbook or worksheets, your work, by choosing your different kind of printers, whichever you are using. And there are few options like settings, which we are going to see when we will see the page layout tab. Then we will going to talk about it. So that's for today. Thank you for joining us. And if you have some inquiries, you can ping on our Instagram page, and you can also ping on our Gmail ID, that is like betogether687@gmail.com. You will get this information in our description just below to our video.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
In the last, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video to your friends, dear ones, so that they can also avail this knowledge